on the cellular differences in those different types that you see. You know, will you label a growth ring in the corn image? No, it's a monocot. It doesn't have secondary growth, right? But it'll have vascular bundles with phloem and flowing in them. Okay? All right. Number 2, all of this stuff is on canvas. So that macerated Melaleuca picture I showed you, that's on canvas. Take that, put it in your lab report, and label it.
What's like the street name of the Melaleuca?
It's actually,
Oh, is
its
that
common
like
name
what
is
it's called?
Melaleuca as
Oh.
well. Yeah, that's
Paper-
one of those trees where they
Paper
the
myrtle.
common name and the Latin is the same. Cross out the macerated xylem cells from Pinus. I don't have a good image of that, so don't worry about that. Okay. Then the final exercise, also on the lab, on the Canvas site. I used to do this in lab, but it was sort of uneven. But what I did was, took a brown paper bag and ripped it up and soaked it in water and macerated it. So, and then took a suspension from that and put it on a microscope slide and took pictures of it. And then I did the same thing with white paper. So remember, I've talked about paper production, right? Paper production, you take a tree stem, chip it up, get rid of the lignin, and now you've just got cell types, and you float them in water, and then put them on a screen and dry it.
So
right?
is that getting
End
to
up
the
with paper.
process that's called maceration?
Yes. That's maceration or digestion sometimes,
Okay.
or pulping. So you end up with this. So what I did was just reverse that process. You know, I wetted the paper and I broke it up so that the cells are suspended again. Okay? So I've got images of some white paper and some brown paper. And I want you to speculate about what types of wood went to make the white paper and the brown paper and why that might be the case. So sort of use what cell types you see to maybe make a guess about what wood types went into that kind of paper, and then talk about why maybe they chose those. And then I've got some questions for you. Any questions about any of those procedures? This doesn't take long. You know, you'll just be taking some photographs of stuff, so it probably won't take you long. Let's number off to 6, maybe. Let's start at the very back this time.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5,
6.
1, 2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
2, 3.
4.
5, 6, 1.
Okay. Go ahead and break up into those groups.